so let's start discussing on how we can, modify our drums a little bit to adjust it to different space and to different audience. So I don't know if I will be able to do the whole thing today because I don't have much time for the video. So anyway, let's see how much I'll be able to show you today. So as you remember, we enter by doing running shimmy, right? So we have bum 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 bum. Here you go. You are in the middle. So what you can do, for example, not do everything the next part we normally do here, right, in the middle. So what we can do, we can target this side over here, this diagonal, and do pam pararam pam pararam pam pararam pam, boom boom boom. Pam pararam pam pararam pam pararam pam, boom boom boom. And then we can go pam pararam pam pararam pam pararam pam, boom boom boom. Pam pararam pam pararam pam pararam pam, boom boom boom. So what do? We turn this side to the left and then to the right. And now we can go pararara pam pam pararara pam pam pararara pam pam pararara pam pam. Right? So here we have the drop and kick. Drop and kick, drop and kick, drop and kick, drop and kick. Oops, change the sides. Drop and kick, drop and kick, drop and kick, drop and kick, and then bum 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, so as you can see, while I was doing drop and kick, I changed the side. So I was doing 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the next after drop and kick, 1, 2, 3, 4, the twist walk, right? So twist walk, you can also do, you can change the sides, or you can do twist, 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 twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? We did it in place. That we just moved a little bit to the side. So what you can do, you have two options. You can either do it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then change and go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or what you can do, you can go around and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or to the other side around, depending on what side you finished the previous move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is up, 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 down, down part. Right? So that part we did on this side. So the easiest change would be to change the sides. So you do up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, up. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then change and go up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then right after that we have the circles, right? Change again. Circle, circle, circle. Undulation, undulation, undulation. Circle, circle, circle. Circle, circle, circle. Okay, so you see I changed my side here and then I came back into this side. And then next one would be param pam param, right? So this is stairs in one place. Param pam param. And then normally we just go towards the audience, right? Param pam param. So what you can do, you can turn a little to this side. Param pam param. And then change the leg. Param pam param pam param param pam param. Okay? And then here, param pam pararara, param pam pararara. We go forward, right? In our choreography, we start on this side. if you, let's say, if you change the previous move and you change the sides, right? You can also start on this side. It's same technique. There is nothing changes. You go, then you start on the right side, then you go 1, 2, 3, and you don't have to go forward. If you want, you can go to diagonal. Just remember that you have to turn back and go towards to finish with your back towards the audience, right? So you go param pum param 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 pam param 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 pam param pam param param pam param param. You see how much traveling I did. Initially, it is like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What we can do? I'm not even going to change the side. Let's say I start on this side. I'm going to go around first 4, and then the other 4 I'm going to do ACDC in the choreography. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So you see how much traveling it is. It seems like it's a lot of traveling, but we did the same thing as we did before. Before it was in place, just forward, and then back, boom, 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 right? This one, we just took the first part and we just took it around, like this. Let's say audience is here. You go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You notice, right? I change my leg every time. One side, the other side, one side, the other side. And then as soon as you get into the center, you don't even have to get to the center for that, but as soon as you get to some point, after 4, you go back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so play with this. What I just showed here. If this is confusing, go back. Of course, you can do this only when you know the choreography. You have to know, remember the choreography well, at least up until this part. Go back to this explanation, watch it a couple of times. Think your ways of changing. It can be what I showed, or it can be a little different. And try dancing that way. Okay, and we'll come back to this topic again. We'll speak more about this one. Okay, enjoy.